here we have a 2021 Ghost. I love the color. What's special about this car? It actually has our new wheels on there. 24s, of course, lowered. Beautiful orange interior. This one is called Masterpiece. It's just been released, so this is kind of like the old Phantom style. I believe it started at 2001, so it kind of has that old Phantom look. This will really, really look good on the new Phantom. So if anyone has a Phantom, please hit us up. And another cool thing is this one actually has cool orange interior. This orange complements the color of the car as well. I mean, it's beautiful overall. It just makes it much more nicer with the RDB wheels. Masterpiece. Make sure you contact us if you ever need this on any other car. Now we're at a better location where shooting is more professional. What do you guys think about it? I think it's really, really nice. A lot of good sceneries around the area that we're at. Shooting it inside is really, really nice. It's much more different than what we used to have before. We worked very, very hard to get to where we were. And we all know this is a family-owned business, so we're getting better at it every day. We love the support from you guys. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys all the other stuff that we're doing. How much is it? There's no limit?
This car is not for sale.
Not for sale?
No, it's an important person's car. You cannot buy it. He will buy you back with your cars.
Oh, they're honking at us. Let's go. Let's go.
You guys took the fridge from here. You guys took all the tools. You guys took all the machines. You guys took it, and you still want us to work.
It's just
How?
change the places. You're gonna get bored here.
Bored where? At the new place?
Yeah.
Are you bored at the new place?
Yeah, it's really bored.
I heard my desk is really small. Why do you have a big desk and I have a small desk?
Every time they come wash your desk, it shrinks.
Every time they wash my desk, it shrinks?
Yeah, every time the clean lady come wash your desk, it shrinks.
Unbelievable. Okay, I'm gonna go drink water. I'm dying of thirst. There's no... I know, I found it. I'm joking. Okay, I'm gonna go drink some water. Yeah, leave me alone for 10 minutes, yeah?
No, just talk to me.
I don't want to talk to you right now. I'm drinking water. I'm thirsty.
Okay, bye.
I'm dehydrated. I'll call you back.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that's Sarkis at the new place. I asked him for water because we don't have water here, so we have to go, to the store every time we get water. They have water and stuff there, so he sent me 2 empty bottles of water. He put it on the passenger seat of the G-Wagon, thinking he's funny. But then, of course, he probably wouldn't do that. He didn't, so we have 4 new waters here. I'm gonna go give some to the guys in the back. So yeah, I mean, being here alone is a little, it's a little boring without the guys. There's like no noise. It's sort of like too good to be true. It's like really, it's quiet, which we're never used to being quiet. There's all kinds of stuff being, things flying in the air and, like things being hit, and you hear wall noises and you hear like pencils and pens and all kinds of stuff, like being thrown across, calculators being thrown across the room. So yeah, that's all gone now. So we're just here at the old place. We're still working, believe it or not. We are running the same business here at the old location in all regards to like phone calls. There you go. Phone calls, customer walk-ins still coming in. A lot of customers still don't know that we're at the new place, so we have to make sure that we have all our customers, give them all the information that we're there. So yeah, we're still running like a full operation here. We're working physically, we're answering phone calls, we're taking appointments, we're doing all that. I can't wait to get to the new place so I can be with the guys, get back with the team, as they say, the full RDB team. Okay, gotta go back to work. Bye-bye. Thanks, Shoes and RDB. How can I help you?
Alright guys, here we have a 2021 G63 wrapped in metallic matte red. Of course, we have the blackout here. The customer didn't want the running boards painted. He didn't want the exhaust tips painted. He wanted it in chrome. He says he's a simple guy. Also, customer did not want door jambs. Usually when it's white, we wrap the door jambs, but the guy didn't want to do it. His car, his choice. He's gonna probably change his mind after he sees it, and we'll probably wrap the inside in matte red as well. Of course, we have the emblems painted in high gloss black. We have the brush guard in black. We have the front star in black. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's a pretty cool color. He kind of wanted to match the interior because the interior is red. It's not exactly matching, but it's close enough. This is the color he chose. I'm happy with it, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys more. So on the back here, we have, of course, the AMG emblem painted in high gloss black. We have the star in high gloss black, and also we have the G63 in high gloss black. And of course, the best thing of this car are the plates.
Okay, so here we go. Let's turn the lights on. This is our, yeah, it's crazy how things change so fast. Actually fast as in it's been 10 years, but you know, it just seems like it was yesterday with us because I remember we coming in here, me, Vic, and Mano, we were literally outside together, painting the building, painting everything. You know, Mano's dad, Vic's dad were here. We were all in it together, you know, so it's a lot of work, a lot of dedication put in, and it's good. You know, it's a new beginning, it's a change. But yeah, am I gonna miss all this? Of course. There's no way that I can lie and say I'm not gonna miss this old spot. Of course, a lot of stuff happened here. So this is Vic's office. As you guys see, the TV's gone. Vic's laptop is not here. There's all trash on top of his table. And there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about 7 pairs of shoes here. That's how you know Vic really likes shoes, because his house is probably filled with shoes as well. So, as you guys know. So, yeah, there's nothing else. We have files, papers a little bit here and there. We're just about ready to get out of here, but I think we're still gonna be here a little bit, just for like a few weeks, just to make sure all our clients know we're there, because I do get a lot of phone calls. I've sent like 3 to 4 jobs from here to the new location for the mechanics to work. So we're still like actually in business. We're doing business from here and you know there. So we're still working as all this craziness is happening. So we still have a lot of cars on the parking lot here because it's full there. So we have to try to get these cars out. So that's why we're still here. A lot of reasons why we're still here. So.
How do you like the new shop, Sarkis?
The new shop.
How'd you just litter?
I like the old one.
You just littered.
I like the old one. What are you talking about?
You're cool.
Hey, I'm gonna break your camera.
I'm gonna send it to the.
I don't know.
How'd you like the shop?
Huh? I like. Yeah, bro. That's the thing. If you go to inside of the office, you get sick. It's cold.
Unless you have a better office than Moses.
No, his office is bigger.
You got your desk and everything.
Yeah, come on in. Sit. Enjoy. Just only close the door. Okay, sit. If you want to smoke weed, smoke weed.
You get to watch whatever Moses does.
Yeah. And so if Moses watches, I can watch him.
Why is this Mercedes?
Well, this one I got a gift from Keith.
Why not BMW?
The lady, she was nice to me. She sent it to me. Okay.
Yeah. You gonna get a Mercedes?
No. Driver, door trim, brakes and trim. Let's go. Let's work. Let's go for a smoke and door.
You just were outside.
See Moses having a good time. Oh. Taking a total loss picture. No, they just want to run the value of the vehicle. Run the value of the vehicle.
Is that the new iPhone?
No, come on, I hate iPhone.
You hate iPhone?
Yeah, because iPhone is like a Mercedes. Samsung is a BMW. You didn't know?
What?
You didn't know Samsung? It's a BMW. iPhone is a Mercedes.
So iPhone's better.
So a Mercedes is better? BMW or Mercedes?
Yes, depends.
I got money busting out the money clip. Nigga call it hit another lick, yeah. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter,